It was but 2 more days before Christmas break, and all the little animals of the happy forest were making gingerbread cookies for the Christmas cookie competition. The animals loved making gingerbread cookies for the Christmas cookie competition, and it looks like Samantha Frog has something she'd like to say.
Teacher, I finished my cookie. I finished.
Okay, I'll be over in a moment, Samantha Frog.
Okay.
That's your cookie?
Yeah, how come?
Oh, nothing. Just that it's the worstest cookie I ever saw.
What?
Yeah, it's the worst cookie ever. You should have never even made a gingerbread cookie. Ever.
Covetous Edward Elephant, how dare you? That was very bad.
No, it wasn't me, no.
Oh, now?
No, it was Hip Hoppity Hippo.
No, it wasn't Hip Hoppity Hippo.
It was, he said.
Elephant, you apologize to Samantha Frog right now, young man.
I'm sorry, Samantha Frog. I actually think your cookie's really good.
Now that's better.
Samantha Frog, I don't think your cookie's really good, and I'm not sorry. It's the worstest cookie ever. Mine's better. Teacher said that mine was better. Mine's the bestest.
Nuh-uh.
Shut your mouth, Platypus Paul. Yes, she did. She said, wow, that's the bestest cookie I've ever seen, ever. And she's like 40. And Samantha Frog's is the worst. It's worser than Hoppity Hippo's cookie. And his is just a square.
Poor Hoppity Hippo. Now remember, class, it's not about who wins that's important. It's about that we
Covetous Elephant knew that his cookie was the bestest cookie in the whole forest, better than any of his classmates, and that almost made Elephant feel kinda good.
And the winner is Samantha Frog.
What? Oh, wow. Oh, boy, I won?
Now remember, you need to be here at 8 in the morning to get your presents, so don't be late. Great job, Samantha Frog.
Thanks, Platypus Paul.
I mean it now, 8 a.m. Hey, Hippo, no running.
The little animals of the forest were so excited for the last day of school and couldn't wait to open all of their presents. But what's this? It seems someone has burned Mrs. Giraffe's school for good boys and girls and other animals down to the ground. But who on earth would do such a thing? Covetous Elephant knew his gingerbread cookie was the bestest he's ever seen, better than anyone else's in the whole class. It was especially better than Hoppity Hippo's cookie, and that almost made Elephant feel kinda good.